Here we go.
It's too scary. You have to know.
Goodness. Why was he smiling to regulate the thing? He's like,
Red shirt, not red, not blood, to no sleeping. Yes, I'm empty, be so scraping.
you was him the whole time?
Like a
Bro, get out of here.
so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for your dear shit. Thank you, oh please, I do. One, I'm waiting for not so cynical. So you're tough, make you really rough. I just can't get enough. I just always a puff. I'm that bad type, make you on the side type, make your girlfriend mad type. My sister's your dad type. I'm the bad guy.
Everybody's ready. Hold on. He's ready to go. Guys, like how fast I did that intro?
You take control even if I know that you don't know me. I'll let you play the role I'll be. My mom likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song if she we spoke that we shall pity the man. So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always a bluff guy. I'm not bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, my sister's your dad type. I'm the bad.
You can't be that funny, okay?
I like when you get mad. Guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's scared of me. I mean, I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing milk alone.
Fingers. Finger best sneaky. Okay. Some warning signs. That's what I used to do when I came home from a work hard or when I moved out. I closed my door and I was like, what's this stress on the floor? And I'm like, fancy strong.